Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Text.X, and today we will be talking about an application I made. This application is called as My Umpire. It's a cricket application, and I'm going to show you how this is. So, first thing first, I'm going to show you how this app works. We have to enter two team names on here. I enter TDSB and TSB. Now I want 1 overs match with 2 wickets over here and 2 wickets. Oh, okay, 2 wickets. That is 2 wickets per team. Now as you see, team players I need to enter one player name per line. So first one is put A, B, C. Second one, the second person you have to put in the second. C, B, B, then E, E, F, F, enter. Now I have to click on this create match button. Once I click on this, see a pop-up will come over here. Match created successfully. I click on OK. After that, you can see that to keep the game fair, I have kept a toss. Now I click on start toss and see B won the toss. Team B won the toss. So team B chooses to bat first. B won the toss and chose to bat first. This is the whole interface, how it looks. So team B had two batters, DEF and FED. This is for striker rate, this is for non-striker rate. I want FED and the striker rate and DEF at the motion. FED striker rate, DEF non-striker rate. With my bowler as CBA. Start. So 1 over match from start. Dot one, and C. So first FED was on strike. Now DEF is on strike. Why it switched? Because one run now. So for that, then I will give a wide one, 2 runs. Let's see. Pop-up comes. What is the pop-up? What does the pop-up say? Over completed. Select new bowler. So you select new bowler now. But as our match is of 1 over, it will say overs completed. Then it will say first innings completed. Target is 8 runs, and the team A begins the chase. Now the team A is over here on the scene. See, A had two batters, A, B, C, and C, D, A. Again, I'm going to give batting B, E. Now, if yours one, yeah. Now, these are the total from. Now, I'm going to give them two hits. So, who's on bottom? Yes, yes, and one more. I'm going to give this F, so, E, C, C. Now, once both the batsmen are out, it says innings ended, all out. Okay, now, scroll down. You see, there's the ball history, the history of the ball. It has the batting scorecard, who scored the most number of runs. There's the bowling scorecard, who took the most number of wickets. And this is a match. B won by 4 runs, and player of the match, CBA won. CBA has highest number of points, and CBA has highest number of runs by in 2 balls. So please note about the strike rate is 150, and the economy, the most wickets taken is DEF. Now I want the PDF of this match. I need to share it with my friends. So since I can download the match report. Okay, and now see cricket match report A versus B. This is all the instructions given, inning summary, batting scorecard, bowling scorecard, ball history, team. Okay, this is actually just giving me next things. Yeah. And these are the same matches. All the matches that were played that I tested it, and all of them were saved in the local storage. Now I will show you. one more thing. Wait, I will show you how to do the code. Okay? Here. So this is a code. Let me explain it to you. So, okay, so first things first, as you can see, we have the cricket web app project. Then first we have the global match object. The global match object is an object in which the entire match date lives inside a single JavaScript object, const match in curly brackets. Now, this object stores team names, players, overs, wickets, current score, balls, bowled, toss information, target score, and complete match history. So, in short, one object controls the entire match. Okay, so this is the over here. You can see that there is a function const match with all the functions stored in it. Next, we have DOM. This whole thing over here is DOM. It what happened? Yeah, this whole thing is the DOM over here. Now, what is a DOM? I'll tell you. So, DOM means DOM means a connection. Okay, DOM means a connection. JavaScript is connected to HTML elements using document.getElement.id. Key elements like team A input, team B input, score element, and wicket element allow the app to read user input, update scoreboards in real time, and display match results dynamically. So, purpose is to connect JavaScript with HTML elements so that the program can read data from the page and update the page dynamically. Next, we have over here after DOM, we have the theme. So theme. Before I go to the theme, I like to show you. So see, this is all JavaScript is connected to HTML using DOM. So all the information is connected using the HTML. Next is this dark mode, entire dark mode thing. So this dark mode is a little bit tricky to understand. It's a little bit tricky to understand. Okay, what is it that this thing uses something called as load theme function, uses something called as local storage. What is local storage? Local storage is something which stores your data locally. That is, it is only seen in your device permanently. So, what does it do is that the function load theme checks which theme was saved earlier and applies that theme when the page loads. Now, to read the saved theme, we have a line over here called const saved is equal to local storage dot get item cricket theme. So local storage stores data in the browser permanently. Now, what does this mean? That the load theme function uses local storage to persist the user's theme preference, to stick to the user's theme preference. The process reads the save theme, applies it on load, and saves any new user choice, supporting both dark mode and light mode permanently across sessions. Okay, so once I choose dark theme from my device, whenever I open this application, it will remain in its dark theme. Next is match creation. Okay, match creation. So in match creation, we have such a big thing. Yep, thank you. We have match creation, meaning I showed you earlier that create the match, the teammate in B, and then create match. What is it? The create match function collects user inputs including team A name, team B name, number of overs, wickets, limit, and player names. It validates that team names that are entered and the players that are available, and then creates a new cricket world called as new cricket match as an object. Now, to explain it briefly, what I should do is I'll give you an example. So you enter two things, and then, for example, team A is India and team B is USA. You enter things like that, and then you click on the create button, so it creates them as an object. So explaining it is, first we add a click event, that line over here which says to create a button, create match button. This, this whole this whole line which you see over here, what does this means? That when the button is clicked, when the button is clicked, JavaScript calls create math function. Step 2 is we create the function. We create the function create math, which contains all the logic for creating a cricket match. Step 3 is we check the team names with this function. We check the team names with this function, and then if the team names are there, then the thing becomes true. Then we show an error. If the team names are not created, then we show this error. Next step is the stop function. The return over here is the stop function that stops the execution of the immediately and nothing else runs. Next, we have step 6 to store the team A name, step 7 to store the team B name, step 8 to store the number of overs, and step 9 is to store the number of wickets. Then we have to store players per team. Then we have a step to read team A players, step 12 to split into array. Now, what does this mean? Split, and this means that, for example, I enter Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Gill, Shumab Gill, and KL Rahul in one after the other in a new line. It converts it into double quotes in between the quotes Virat Kohli, new line, double quotes Rohit Sharma, new line, double quotes Shuman Gill, new line, double quotes KL Rahul with a comma after it, like that. Then we use this thing to remove extra spaces. Extra spaces. Then we use this thing to remove extra lines. My bad, extra empty lines. Then do the same process for B, team B. Then we have a very important step. This is to check if the minimum number of players are 2. Why 2? Because one striker, one non-striker are at least needed. Okay. Then step 17 is to show an error if there are no 2 minimum players in the team. And then this is the return function. Return function is to stop the immediately to stop the function if the match is not created. Then we have a reset match score. So match.score is equal to 0. Then we have reset wickets, reset balls, clear ball history, update match title. This is the function update match title, and then we get an alert. Match created successfully with a console.log message, which shows complete match data in browser console. So, yeah, next we talk about the toss. This is the entire thing for toss. Okay, this is the entire thing for toss. With there are two things in it. If the batsman chooses bat first, or if he chooses bowl first. And yeah, so first we start with start toss function is the toss system. So it uses math.random to randomly select either team A or team B as the toss winner. After that, the result is displayed on the screen. Team X won the toss. After the toss, users choose bat first or bowl first, which sets match.batting team and match.bowling team to establish innings order. How? Let me show it to you. Not show it to you, like I'm gonna be explaining it to you. So it chooses using the map.random function to play uh, the toss, and it gives the random team the toss option. Like for example, create match, then do toss, then winner chooses bat ball, then batting team set, bowling team set, and lower players. Okay, this is what this is called in short. Okay, this much you need to remember. Next, I have live scoring engine, which has live scoring engine meaning this all is the player's scoreboard and everything you need to update. Next, I'm going to show you the update live scoring engine, which have buttons for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 runs. When clicked, score increases, ball count updates, and history is recorded instantly. Next, we have the scoreboard. Update scoreboard function displays the runs, wickets, overs, and current run rate. We have the strike rotation, that is the rotate strike function, which swaps striker and non-striker automatically on 1, 3, or 5 runs scored. Over completion is over completed function triggers when ball percentage 6 is equal to 0. This is the function math function. Strike rotates and a new bowler is selected for the next over. We have extras and wicket management also, which is wide for plus 1 run, no ball for plus 1 run, by for plus 1 run plus 1 ball, leg by for plus 1 run plus 1 ball, and penalty for plus 5 runs. We have wicket system, which supports all dismissal types like bold, caught out, run out, LBW when a wicket falls. Okay, yeah. So bold, caught out, run out, LBW. And when a wicket falls, wicket count increases, ball count updates, new batter is entered, and ball history records the event. So we have a function called check innings end function, which automatically detects when all wickets have fallen or overs are completed, ending the innings without manual intervention. Then we have the scorecards and ball history, the batting scorecard, bowling scorecard, and ball history. So batting scorecard tracks every batter's performance, including runs, balls faced, fours, sixes, and strike rate. Bowling scorecard records each bowler's overs bowled, runs conceded, wickets taken, and economy rate. Ball history has a function called add history function, which records every single event ball, which provides complete match tracking and audit trail. Then we have innings management and advanced features like required run rate, which is update required rate function, which calculates the required run rate during the chase. During the chase, there is a required run rate which shows now. First, it shows the correct run rate, which is given when the first innings are happening, and then the second innings it shows the required run rate. How is this form calculated? Required run rate is equal to runs left divided by balls left divided by 6, which keeps teams informed of the required scoring pace. Then autosave is save current state function using local storage to save score and match state every 3 seconds, which ensures full match recovery after a browser refresh, no data loss. I showed you that thing. Undo system also, we have undo last ball, which removes the last scoring action, essential for correcting umpire mistakes or wrong entries during live play. Then we have switch innings function, which saves the first innings, calculates the target, swaps batting and bowling teams, and resets the scorecard for second innings. Match result is evaluate result function determines the final outcome by win by wickets, win by runs or tie, and get player of the match function automatically identifies the highest run scorer as the player of the match. Auto save, load save match. Then call after match creation, run tracking, extra tracking, wicket tracking, batting table, bowling table, undo, then save stats, load stats, then switch innings, swap innings, and check. Then we have match archive and history using archive match stores function, which stores completed matches in local storage, including teams, result data, target, and player of match. The match history screen acts as a full match database displaying all previous matches with date, teams, result, and standout performances. Statistics module, where function of get highest run scorer function, where top run getter across matches and get highest wicket taker, which is the leading wicket taker. Then PDF reports, we download the PDF using download match. PDF generates a professional match report containing match details, inning summary, batting scorecard, bowling scorecard, ball by ball histories, and team list all in one PDF. Using the local storage, it extracts all the data from there. So in the end, this is the entire application. I will be giving the JavaScript code in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want the whole application link, please comment that I want the link. I will be seeing you in the next video with a game called as Tank Stars. Thank you, everyone. I hope you stay safe. Have a good day. Bye.